Hello, today we're going to change the reach switch on a Fortrex 80 Minn Kota. Underneath, you feel underneath this button, on this side of the button. I can't show you from underneath, but you'll push up, you'll feel the tab here, you'll push up, you'll push it in, push the button up, and this will slide up. You gotta push. You see this little tab is where you push it in from underneath. It'll slide up, button comes up, there's a spring. The spring goes here, and this magnet touches the reed switch, and that reed switch is bad. We're going to replace that. Move the spring out. So take a flathead and just pry up this. Crawl this up, see, it'll just slide up and out. Expose the wire. Here's a new reed switch, 2 wires. So I'm going to push it up. Push it up and out through that slit. The wires will come up there. The reed switch slides in there, the holder. I'm going to cut this wire and connect the new reed switch to it. So we're just going to cut it. Leave the excess right there. Strip these wires. Just connect one to each of these. So I got these gel connectors. Got these connectors. The wires go up on each side. One goes on one side. Twist it on the wire. One goes in there. And then we're going to just crimp that, squeeze that down, make sure they're tight. Make sure the wires are in tight. And then squeeze it. There's one. Now I'm going to do the other one. And we got this one, the other wire comes with the switch. Just squeeze it. Just feed that through the hole and be under your foot pedal. Just push the new reed switch. It's going to go, put the wire through the slit, and I'm going to push it down almost flush. So there, right there, almost flush. Rear switch is replaced. Put the button back on. Now you push the momentary button forward. Before, when you had the button on, it would run constantly. Now, it only works when you push it. It's working. It's back to working. Button works. On, off. On, off. Finally, back to normal fishing. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.